Hello everyone, I am Pooja Khaire, student of the Sanjeevani University, School of Commerce and Management, Department of MBA. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important concept in the economic system, that is the RBI. RBI stands for the Reserve Bank of India, established on 1st April 1935 under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. RBI is responsible for the regulating currency and the credit system, and also to ensure the monetary stability and the economic growth. Let's see how RBI shapes the Indian economy. That is the role of the RBI in economy. First is the issuing the currency. RBI is a central bank, so only RBI have the legal authority to frame, decide and to issue the currency and to ensure adequate circulation of currency. Bankers to government. RBI plays a very critical role for the state government and the central government, that is to managing the financial accounts and the public debt. RBI also provide the financial and economic advice to the government in some issues like inflation, budget management and all economic issues. Then the monetary policy. RBI carries out all monetary function on behalf of the government, that is to collection of the tax, then payment of the government expenses and the subsidies and the salaries to the employment to maintain the financial stability. Then foreign exchange management. The Reserve Bank of India manage the foreign exchange reserve and also conduct the transaction with the foreign entities on the behalf of the government to maintain the foreign relations. Then the bankers bank. The Reserve Bank of India serves as a central authority for all commercial banks in India to maintain the stability and efficiency in the banking system. To RBI regulate and supervise the commercial banks that make sure they following the rules and regulations which is formed by the RBI. RBI also provide the financial support to the commercial banks and also grant the license for the new opening banks. Then development role. RBI plays, the Reserve Bank of India plays the significant role in the Indian economy to promoting the financial inclusion, the economic development and to enhancing the financial system. RBI promote to access the banking services especially in the rural and under-reserved area to encouraging the establishment of the new branches to uses the mobile banking and the digital payment. RBI also help in the agriculture finance, development in the finance marketing and also in the international trading. So after learning that, we come to know that RBI plays a very different kinds of role for the development of the economy. So basically we know the RBI is the pillar of the Indian economy. So thanks for the watching video. Have a good day. See you soon.